I don't know what happened to my intro, but hey guys, it's Nature Brianna back with another video. And in this video, we will be doing a room tour. I've showed you guys little snippets of my room, so I'm like, might as well show them the whole thing. So sit back, relax, grab your notepad, because y'all need some tips, and watch this video. Also, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Alright guys, let's get started. In order to get into your room, you will need your key card. And welcome to my humble abode. Okay, so when you turn around 360 from the front door, we have a welcome mat right between my feet, and to your left you will see our key hook and my little hook over there. I will turn on the light so you guys can see what I'm talking about. There's 3 light switches. The first light switch turns on our overhead light right there, and as you can see when you first walk in, baby, what did Roddy say? He said that. Period. Okay. To the right corner, we have my hook right here, which has my key and my mask on it. Right below is our trash can and our broom. I'm not going to go into detail as to where I got everything from. If you want to know, go look at my dorm haul. I'll link it in the description box down below. But we have our key hook, and right below that is our 3 light switches. We have the first one, which is for the overhead light, the second one, which is for dim, and the third one, which is for bright. These 2 honestly don't work. Our light does whatever she wants to do, bright or dim, that's what you're gonna get. Then we have our shoe rack right here, which has my shower shoes and my Uggs and my work shoes, and I usually put her Crocs on it too. But yeah, this is what it looks like with the just overhead light on when you walk in. Okay, so walking in, Naya's bed is to the right and my bed is to the left. I'll start on my side first. What is that? Okay, it's nothing. Our colors, like I said in my dorm haul, are purple and yellow, and this is the overview of my bed. And for the incoming freshmen, I do live in Douglas Covington Hall, and this is what the room looks like if you're interested. Here's my bed setup. I have my pillow, my comforter, my yellow throw pillow, my purple throw pillow, and my fuzzy pillow that my coworker got me. So the back is purple. Right here above my bed is my Vogue sign. Me and I both have matching Vogue signs, except for hers is purple. I will show you that when I get to her side. Then I have my Letterman board. It says, "Cash up us." Baby, you cannot sit in here for free. Sorry about it. Sorry about it. Next to that is my cork board. It just has a lot of memories on it. Like me, my family, my little brother, who's my best friend, my mama, my job. Moving on. We have my Chanel photo frame, and it costs $0.00 to be a kind human being. Going along the wall, we have our whiteboard. This was going to be our whiteboard for whenever one of us leaves the room. Like, we'll just put, we'll just put like, BRB went to the bathroom, BRB went to the cafeteria. But we kind of just made it, like one day, like somebody did it and we all just kept doing it. But whenever we have a guest, they write on our whiteboard their Instagram or their social media. And it's just been a trend. Above that is our fire alarm. We've had one so far. Never again. Below our whiteboard is our first stool and our Michael Kors bags that has our towels in it for whenever we take our showers. Right in front of my bed, I'm saying up against my bed, is my armoire. And it has our TV on it. We have a fire stick. And it has our lamp. I also showed you that in the dorm hall. This is my closet. There are my clothes and my shoes on the top. I try to keep it somewhat organized. It's really not because I don't have that many clothes here, but like for me, I know where the stuff is. Then we have my 2 drawers. This is my shirt drawer. This is my shirt and like my quick access pants, like my sweatpants and my shorts I wear every day. Then below that is my pants drawer. These honestly look neater than this on a daily basis, but I'm not gonna front for the camera. Yeah, that's just that. They're honestly very spacious and very deep. I honestly like them. Like, it's more than enough space for me. I didn't need anything else for my clothes except for, like, you'll see under my bed I have something for my underwear and my bras and stuff like that, just because I didn't want those to be like completely out in the open. But yeah, honestly, the closet space, like, I think it's a pretty good size. I like it. Okay. Something that is pretty unique to our room is our like little like TV setup right here. Yeah, it's our TV setup. We have a Fire Stick, but the cord doesn't fit to the outlet, this is my my desk lamp, which is right here. So, interior designer, I decided to plug in the extension cord and just command hook it to the side of your armoire, and that way your stuff will reach. Honestly, it worked out perfectly. Like, we love our TV. But yeah, as you've seen, in the crack of my armoire, I keep my desk lamp, my lap desk, and below it I have a binder for, you know, my notes and stuff like that. But yeah, I just put that right back in there. Okay, baby. Oh, y'all not ready? Y'all not ready? Next to my armoire is our little kitchen area that if you seen my day in the life with me, you see me clean this area up. But starting off, we have our bag full of sauces and seasonings. So we are 2 black, healthy young women, and we like our sauces and seasonings. Get at us. And in the first drawer of our gray plastic shelf thing is our Tupperware and our bowls. Then you have our ramen and our strawberry applesauce, which is delicious. Then is our like more ramen, cookies, and chicken crackers. You get to our coffee maker. This is a drink tray, but it has our cups in it, napkins, hand sanitizer, stuff like that. Our paper towels were right there. Our Alexa, hey girl, never mind. Then we have our micro fridge. On top of that is our tissue box, dish detergent, our dish rag that we leave out to dry in a cup, our straws. In the back, we just have a yellow candle going with the purple and yellow theme. Peeps, the purple bag. Our silverware, daily vitamins, you know, trying to stay healthy. That's ketchup. That's my wax jar. I'll get into that in a later video. And our sauces. Then, you know, our fridge. Then here is Naya's side of the room. Right now, I'm currently in the corner. Also, I didn't mention, you guys are going to see, if you've seen a video of Covington before, you're probably looking like, wow, that room is pretty big. Like, I'm going to give you different angles, but our room is honestly, like, we have space in here. Like, that's my arm. Like, I'm not touching nothing. Like, y'all can see the space. But that's Naya's closet. That's her business. But on top, we have our pots and pans. Sadly, we cannot use until next semester. Her book for her class. We have an iron, Fabulous, tissue, and her stuff for her school. Then there's our fur rug. You'll be seeing this in my Snapchat videos. There I am. Hey. Hold on. There I am. Hi, how you doing? We have our mirror right here in our lovely spot. It's, baby, you see me. How you doing? Next to the mirror is our sign, live with intention. If you're not living with intention, what are you doing? You're just walking through life without any purpose or any goals. Do better. There's our beanbag chair. And then it has girl with goals, going with the vibe of, our color scheme. And under our beanbag chair is our wooden rocking chairs. Both of us have one. You don't see mine. I'm going to show you where it is in a second. But that's also our step stool. We had one. Things happen. Now we use this as our step stool. Okay, standing in front of the fridge. This is the overview of our room. Okay, so getting into Naya's side. Naya has her purple throw blanket. Another one under that. Going with the theme, I have my yellow. She has her purple. You see the connections. She has the same comforter. Her purple shaggy throw pillow. My happy place is here. Pillow. And her pillow's back there. Her teddy bear. She also has her Winston-Salem States. Yes, ma'am. That's where we go. That's where we are. Poster. And then her photos. And like I said in the beginning, we have matching signs. There's her Vogue sign. Hers is purple. Okay. Walking past Naya's bed back to my bed, I get to officially show you guys. Because I know you guys are wondering. You guys don't have any desks. Yep, you're right. There's no desk over here. But it's not that the school did not give us desks or we threw our desks away. We were just smart with it. Our desks are currently under our beds. We decided that we're going to be honest with ourselves. I knew I wasn't going to sit at a desk because I do have a computer lab down the hall. I will get into that. I will record so you guys can see the full my room tour. Full video. But I just know I wasn't going to sit at a desk. It's uncomfortable. Our neighbors are loud, to be honest. Gonna keep it a band. And honestly, I'm a girly girl. I like having a vanity. I like having a desk. I like having a dresser. So this is what my desk looks like. Our beds have latches on them for you to unhook it, raise it to a higher level, stuff like that. So we decided if it hooks on one side, it definitely can hook on the other side. Why don't we just invert our desks and make ourselves vanities? That's exactly what we did. And it's high enough for my chair to fit under there, which saves space, but also low enough for me to get under here and put my stuff. So this is what I'm working with. I have my lip glosses and stuff like that on top of my lash box, my little acrylic drawer set with my earrings in it, my mirror, my glasses cleaner, this girl can sign. You get the gist of it. Honestly, I also have my neon sign back there. It's yellow. Mine has a purple one. Going with the theme. We're always going to be on theme. I think mine needs new batteries, though, if I'm being honest. Like having, a private area space to keep my personal stuff. And, keeping it organized. But this is what it looks like. Yeah. Right below my desk is my laundry item basket. It's not for my clothes, it's actually for my laundry products. I have my conditioner, my shampoo, my mouthwash. I don't know why I said laundry, because it's laundry stuff in there. I have my Tide Pods in there. If you see my dorm hall, you know what's in there. Same with these bins right here. These are gonna fall. I don't know why they're like that. Okay, I also have a black bin which has miscellaneous items in it, like extra hair stuff, extra bed sheets, stuff like that. I also kept my comforter bag. I didn't bring a suitcase up here. I kept my comforter bag, and I have my winter stuff in there. So my winter jackets, my hoodies. It's kind of empty right now because I'm starting to pull some hoodies out of this because it is getting colder. But yeah, I think this is a good idea too. I think this is honestly a good idea. Instead of having a big bulky suitcase, you can keep your comforter bag, put your winter stuff in there. And honestly, whenever you take your winter stuff out, put your summer stuff in there, or just fold it up. It's plastic. Fold it up and slide it somewhere. Okay, right next to that is my 3 shelves. I have on the bottom miscellaneous cords, my camera, command hooks, thumbtacks, stuff like that. In the middle drawer, I have my bath towel, stuff like that. Stuff I use at night. Then the top drawer, I have my socks, underwear, bras, stuff like that. Then my shower caddy and my purses. And in this purple drawer, I have my hair stuff. Hair stuff, and at the top drawer is body stuff. Extra loofahs, extra baby wipes, razors. The middle one is gel, face mask, stuff like that. The bottom one is my blow dryer, that was pretty much under my bed. Naya's under the bed. Also, I don't have to like sit on the floor to get under here. I can literally just bend over. All my stuff is right there. Naya's under her bed is the same way, so I'm not gonna really show it. The only thing different is she has a lockable trunk under her bed. But yeah, it's pretty much the same setup. And honestly, that's the room.